tree cutting in North Tonawanda, New York. A big, beautiful tree is on your property. It's a key part of your home's look. But a severe storm can quickly turn things bad. A falling branch could crush your car. A tree leaning over your house might fall on your roof. A sick tree is a hidden threat. These issues can happen without warning. You may think your tree is fine today. But what about next month? The worry can be heavy. You think about your family and your property. You just want to feel secure at home. Proza Tree Service helps people in North Tonawanda, New York, with these problems. We focus on tree cutting and removal. We safely remove trees that are unwell, weak, or in a bad spot. Our team works hard to keep your home safe. We use the correct tools for a safe job. We also clean up the work area after we are done. Here's how we can help in the North Tonawanda area. We remove dangerous trees before they fall. We trim branches away from your house and power lines. We cut down old trees to give you more yard space. We give honest, free estimates with no hidden costs. Don't wait for a tree to cause damage. Take control of your home's safety today. Call us at 716-535-0865 or visit our website at prozatreeservice.com to get a free estimate. Protect your home with trusted tree cutting in North Tonawanda, New York.